Good day, and welcome to your AI news headlines for Sunday, 9th November 2025. Right, today we're diving into Sam Altman's push for expanded AI infrastructure tax credits in the US, China's distinct vision for artificial intelligence, and the quiet revolution AI is bringing to the global textile industry. First up, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman is intensifying his campaign for the US government to expand the scope of the CHIPS Act tax credit. Well, as detailed in Altman Pushes for Expanded CHIPS Act Tax Credit, he argues that extending the Advanced Manufacturing Investment Credit to cover AI server production, data centers, and critical grid components, not just semiconductor manufacturing, is vital for America's leadership in AI infrastructure. Mind you, this comes as OpenAI plans a colossal $1.4 trillion investment in computational resources over the next 8 years, highlighting a critical gap where current incentives fall short of supporting the full AI infrastructure stack. AICI's view is that while Altman's request has a clear self-interest, it genuinely points to a policy oversight. Basically, a more holistic approach to AI infrastructure incentives could benefit the entire ecosystem, though careful safeguards are essential to prevent corporate capture of public funds. Now, meanwhile, on the global stage, China's leading technology companies have unveiled their ambitious AI initiatives at the World Internet Conference in Wuzhen. So, as reported in Chinese tech giants showcase AI Vision, firms like Baidu, Alibaba, and Tencent presented integrated AI solutions focused on industrial applications and government services, showcasing China's whole nation's system approach. They demonstrated significant progress in domestic AI chip development and multimodal AI systems tailored for Chinese language processing and regulatory compliance, signaling Beijing's determination to advance its capabilities despite US export controls. AICI believes China's focused approach, particularly its emphasis on practical industrial applications, could yield valuable insights for global AI deployment. Honestly, the emerging bifurcation of AI development paths risks creating incompatible systems, underscoring an urgent need for dialogue on interoperability standards. Okay, finally, we turn to a fascinating transformation happening in a traditional sector, the textile industry. So, as highlighted in Textile Industry Embraces AI Transformation, AI-powered systems are turning traditional mills into smart factories, achieving impressive results like a 30% reduction in material waste and a 25% improvement in worker productivity. These systems use multimodal AI to analyze visual data, sensor readings, and historical production data, optimizing fabric cutting patterns and preventing costly machinery breakdowns. Crucially, this isn't about replacing workers. Instead, employees are being retrained as AI supervisors, augmenting human capabilities. AICI sees this as a promising model for responsible AI implementation in traditional manufacturing. At the end of the day, by focusing on waste reduction and productivity enhancement through human-AI collaboration, it offers a win-win scenario for businesses and their workforce, providing valuable lessons for policymakers across other sectors. Well, from high-stakes policy debates and geopolitical competition to the quiet, transformative power of AI in our factories, the world of artificial intelligence continues its rapid evolution. We're witnessing a dynamic interplay of innovation, strategy, and practical application that promises to reshape our future. So, that's all for today's AI news. Anyway, we look forward to catching up with you tomorrow for more insights into this exciting field. This was brought to you by AICI, your expert AI consultants. Please hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve with all the latest from the world of AI. See you tomorrow.